Okay, hi students. Today we will discuss first PUC one more important topics, sets. Mm. This is very important for uh, even when you go to solve the problems probability. It is helpful to sets theory. Then also relation functions also it is required. Okay now. So now you have to clear that this topic. Okay na. uh, okay, today we'll discuss sets. What is meaning of set? Generally we called set is a the collections of object. Okay na. The general meaning of a set is collections of object. For example, collections of pens, collections of notebooks, collections of bags, and collections of students in the any one college. Okay na. So like that, the meaning of set is collection, the group of bunch of group, like that. Okay na. Then when you come across the mathematical, according to mathematics, set. What is set? Set is nothing but it is a collections of well defined objects. Okay now, here well defined. What is meaning of well defined? Means the collections should be should not be no sorry should not be should not vary from person to person. Okay na. So well defined means collection should not be vary from person to person. So what is collections should not be vary from person to person means, okay, here I'll take one example. Okay na. So better you understood. I'll take two persons, Arun. Okay na. Then one more, Ajay. Okay na. Then here I tell to Arun, collect first 10 natural numbers. Okay, he starts from collecting natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. Same things I tell to Ajay he'll also starts collecting. Okay na. B set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay na. Now observe that students, here both sets are, is it same or different? They same. Okay na. Because the collections from Arun and Arjun, sorry, Arun and Ajay, both are same objects. Okay na. Not different. So here collections of object from person to person is same. Okay na. So this type of collections, this type of set are called as, this type of collections. Okay na. This type of collection were called as set. Okay na. Then one more example. For example, same things. Okay na. I tell to Arun same. You got a better understanding. So that's why I am taking same example. So here I tell to Arun, collect first 5 odd natural numbers. Okay na. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay na. Same Ajay, collect first same things I tell to Ajay also. Collect first odd natural numbers. Okay na. So this is also same. Okay na. Collections of object is same. So this type of collections were called as same. set. ఓకేనా. సో వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్, సేమ్ అరుణ్, అజయ్. ఓకేనా. ఐ టెల్ టు అజయ్ collect best 3 actors in the Karnataka film or anything, actors in Karnataka. Rajkumar, Ambrish, Vishnuvardhan. ఓకేనా. హియర్ సేమ్ అజయ్ collect 3 best 3 actors in Karnataka. ఓకేనా. దర్శన్, సుదీప్ and యష్. See, observe students here. The both are collected object is it the same or different? It is different. So it is not a set, because the person, from person to person is the collected objects are differ. Okay na. This is not a same object, so that's why it is not a set too. It is not a set. Okay na. Understood what is set, what is which is set or which is not set. Okay na. Understood students. Set is well defined object, person to person is same. Okay na. This is called set. Okay, now next we'll go for set. Is students, set is always denoted by capital letters. Set is always denoted by capital letters. Set is always denoted by capital letters. Okay, now for example, A, B, C, like that, X, Y, Z also. Okay na. Then for example, andre A equal to 1 2 3. Okay, this is set denoted. Okay na. Then next we'll go for the elements of set is denoted by small letters. One more, elements of set is denoted by small letters. For examples, A, B, C. Okay na, like that. Understood? Students, one more concept here. For example, I take one set A, E, I, O, U. Okay na. Here I take A is an element of set A. Means A is a member of set A. Means, in how to denote this statement means, one more Greek symbol is there now students. A belongs to A. So this meaning is belongs to, means ಸೇರಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆನಾ, belongs to. ಓಕೆನಾ. For example, one more, E is an element of set A. Means E belongs to A. Okay na. Then one more students, S is does not or S is not a does not element of set A. Means S is not member of set A. Means S is belongs to, means this is S. Okay na. S is now it is belongs to, but S is does not belongs to, means S is not belongs to A. Means this meaning is does not belongs to. Okay na? Understood, students? Belongs to and does not belong to. It is a very important topic. It is very important concept also. Okay na? So now, next you when you go to solve the exercise 1.1, so it is related to this concept. Okay na? So next we will go for representations of set. Representations of set. Student, here represented of a set. Represented of a set. Okay na? There are two types of representing set. Okay na? One is set builder method, set builder or rule method. Okay na? Rule method. Then one more, roster or tabular method. Roster or tabular method. Okay na? Okay, there are two types of representing the set. One is set builder and another is roster method. Okay na? Okay, first set builder method. Set builder method means the name itself says set builder. So means set the build, means build the set. Okay na? Build the set or construct the set or rule the set. That is called set builder method. Means construct the set or build the set. Okay na? Or rule the set. Called as set builder method. Okay na? Called as set builder method. Okay na? Now we'll take some example, students. Okay na? Here for example I'll take A equal to bracket, flower bracket, x is a variable elements. For example, A, B, C, D, anything. Okay na? X is variable elements. Then x is such that x is contains. Okay na? First 10 natural numbers. Okay na? First 10 natural numbers. Now what I do, what I did, students, here I build the set. Okay na? I build the set, or else I construct the set. Okay na? So this type of representing we are called as a set builder or rule method. Okay na? One more example, students. B equal to, or take it z. Okay na? Z such that z is contains vowels of English alphabets. Okay na? Vowels of English alphabets. Understood? Okay na? Now same I construct the set, students, or English alphabets. Okay na? This type of representing we are called as set builder or rule method. Okay na? Then next one more, roster method or tabular method. Okay na? Roster or tabular method means here all elements are listed. All elements are listed. Okay na? Separated by commas. Separated by commas. Okay na, separated by commas, and within a curly brackets or flower bracket, curly or flower brackets, flower brackets. Okay na. So understood, students, all elements are listed. We have to list the all elements. Okay na. Then separated by each elements, we have to separate it by commas. Okay na. Then within the curly bracket or within the flower bracket. So then we'll go for example. You more understood the concept. Okay na. Now I'll take example. First one, students, I'll take same examples here. Now it is a representing in by set builder, but we know how we have to write in roster method or tabular methods. So then I'll take same examples. Okay, now I will take same examples here. Students, a equal to x is contains first 10 natural numbers. First 10 natural numbers means 1 comma 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay now student, what I did here, so I listed the all elements. Okay I listed the all elements and separated by each one commas. Okay separated by each one commas. Okay then within the curly bracket or flower bracket, this is the flower bracket. Okay understood. Then next second example, students, here x is contains OLs English alphabets, OLs of English alphabets. Okay b equal to a e I o u. Okay this is a e I o. Okay the same. Okay this type of representing, students, this type of representing we are called as roster method or tabular method. Okay understood students, how to write a roster method or set builder method. Okay then next one more important concept, students. Okay for example English word. Okay English. Okay how to write in set. Okay for example a equal to e n g l I s and h. Okay this is okay so next one more example, students. This is English word. This is separated. Then one more examples, communication, students. Communications. How to write communications means a set. Here look at here, students. So communications means first we have to write C. Okay C. Then next O. Then next M. Students, here look at here. The now letters are repeated here. Okay when you write the set, don't repeat the letters. Don't repeat. Okay, it is not allowed to repeat the letters. Okay this should not allowed. Okay so you have to write one times only. When you write the set, okay you have to write only one time. Communication. Okay here M is repeated, so only you have to write one time. U next, then N also write, then next I write, then next C is repeated, students. C is repeated, then okay write A also, then next T is also you have to write, then I is repeat, O is repeat, N is repeat. Okay so we should not write repeated. Okay so only write one times when you write the set. Okay I hope you understood, students. Okay so next class we have to discuss we'll discuss types of sets. Okay bye.